Electromagnetics project presentation. For our project, we were expected to implement a carrier resonator that we saw in class, and this is my carrier resonator. I built it and its functions. So I formed the sides lengths based on this formula. I selected 1 GHz as the resonant frequency, and based on my calculations, one side came as 21 centimeters and both sides came as 21 centimeters because I chose both sides the same, the A and B sides. And I found this box laying around somewhere, and these sides are 20, 21, and this is about 29, but this side doesn't matter. The important thing is this is 20 and this is 21. And you can see the monopole antennas here. I inserted a connector right at the middle of the sides, which are 20 and 21, and I connected a copper wire to the connectors to form a monopole antenna. There's another one here that serves for me to get measurements. It's another monopole antenna. These two are the same. So this is a regular cardboard box covered up with aluminum. It could be any conducting material. I used this aluminum strip that was found in the lab to cover up the cardboard box and form this. And you can see here I used the network analyzer in Umram to acquire data and measurements. This is my S11 parameter. It shows the reflection coefficient, and we want this to be as flat as possible for maximum power transfer. And when I entered the analyzer, my resonant frequency was seen as 1.04, so it slipped a little bit, but it's still the same because I could not fully create this box flawlessly. And so my loss is about minus 10 dB, which is acceptable, but it's not very efficient. So then I connected this box to the oscilloscope. You can see here the initially value of power transfer. It's about 1.4 volts, and when the resonator was put between the network analyzer and the oscilloscope, this peak-to-peak voltage dropped down to 871 millivolts. So there's a significant amount of power loss in my resonator, and that's probably because I didn't match the monopole antenna. So, and there's some loss, but it still functions. You can see here this is not at the center, so it's not fully matched. And although there's a significant amount of loss, I can say that it works and it serves its purpose. So that's it. Thank you for listening.